Do you want to be a cook, or do you love cooking shows and sometimes you don't really understand what's going on? We got you. In today's video, we are going to take a look at some verbs that you really need to master if you want to work in the kitchen and use English, or if you love to watch cooking shows. Chop, dice, slice, spread, fry, melt, peel, grate, roll out, knead, mix, add, whip, and pour. Now you can be a master in the kitchen and use English. Don't forget to take your free assessment test through the link that is in our bio to know your English level. See you soon.